I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. Psalm 91:2.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Taking Refuge in God was written by Cindy Hess Casper and read by Rochelle Traub.
Psalm 91, verses 9 through 16. If you say, "The Lord is my refuge," and you make the Most High your dwelling, no harm will overtake you, no disaster will come near your tent. For He will command His angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. They will lift you up in their hands so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. You will tread on the lion and the cobra. You will trample the great lion and the serpent. Because He loves me, says the Lord, I will rescue Him. I will protect Him, for He acknowledges my name. He will call on me, and I will answer Him. I will be with Him in trouble. I will deliver Him and honor Him. With long life I will satisfy Him and show Him my salvation. Taking Refuge in God, written by Cindy Hess Casper. As the outdoor concert started, I felt a single raindrop on my cheek. Looking up, I saw ominous dark clouds. Having paid a steep price for tickets, however, I wasn't inclined to leave because of a little bad weather. Then, umbrellas began to pop open. One woman pulled a plastic grocery bag over her hair. It took just one deafening boom of thunder for the performer to grab her microphone and beg us to take refuge somewhere. As the rain began to come in torrents, we splashed through muddy puddles and rushed into a nearby school gym. Thoroughly soaked, we huddled with strangers for the next half hour, still hoping the storm would end. When we ventured back out, we saw that the band was packed up and ready to leave. When the storms of life come, where can we run? Sorrow, worry, illness, and confusion can make us fearful and in need of refuge. We need a strong shelter that'll protect us. Psalm 91 reminds us that God has promised to rescue us and to be with us in trouble, saying, "Because He loves me, I will rescue Him. I will protect Him, for He acknowledges my name." When we need help, we can call on His name, and He will answer us. When our courage fails us, we can lean into His strength. He's our shelter in any storm. Let's pray. God, when storms rise and our courage fades, may we run to You as our strong and steady refuge. Remind us that when we call on Your name, You are faithful to answer, and You will shelter us in every trouble. Thank You, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What storms are you experiencing? How can you gain the shelter and refuge that God has promised you?
Alsagum ka smel sukal. Ekora rawarangum ng mal makatek to dingar baba sukar rakaw. Elakapol rawarangum. Lakapol rawarangum ngon raul mongang au ulen dingar baba sukar rakaw. Abras marogulon raur belaw. Aklo start serengi. Yai kasil mongang ngobul ten mo sukal. Lu ulen dingar baba sukar raat smel sukal. Dia ka angot lon raul. Dia ka angot lon raul. Sabi ela adal smel sukal. Along aringing beriwa sukar ringin ela. Dik yuri, akurik mal lungilon raul. Sabi elungu sukar raat. Smel sukal merio. Akuri au ngilon raul. Sabi elo pengkelangi di lodoim. Baldak madalun mamal mangikal. Alsugum ka smel sukal, loreng sertiang, emong akuri. Akuri ang sukar rakaw merio, ang sob aklaw ang sukaw. Yakmal nga rue, akuri sob aklaw ko mga tiyak lang rakaw. Hindi ka po mawu orarangum o mga akuri. Mbay mo ngilarangum, merio sukar rakaw. Akuri sob aklaw, rasa alim rasukal, ang sukar rakaw merio. Kakmal masaul, ablol sa PM, loreng setiar ka deblo laklat, girel o mga lalaki. Sukar rakaw, ilmorio, maklangar rakaw mo kamangat, aul tuir o mga lemarakyuri, rabi ka klosay, al sugum kasme el sukal. Hindi ka ngod alon raul, se el sukal, hindi kyuri. At kyuri ko mga tiyak langar rakaw, esobak klaras alimara sukal. At tal Sunday, o mga kaliat talgibalon raul belaw, beras en diungil, ngi dirakal biak klosay, el mga beras, yang mora pa sukar rakaw. Kamsulang, asukar rakaw morio, maklangar rakaw mo kamangal, aul tuir o mga lem, rakyuri rabi ka klosay.
Research shows that hackers may already be inside your network. Ransomware, email scams, service disruptions, cyber theft. Guardian Cyber helps organizations identify hidden threats, remove hackers from their systems, and strengthen their defenses before serious damage is done. We provide cybersecurity assessments, network cleanup, ransomware recovery, digital forensics, and expert guidance tailored for Palau and the Pacific. Guardian Cyber, Palau's cybersecurity experts, ready when you need us. For more information, email guardiancyber19@gmail.com or visit guardiancyber.online.
Make the Father's Day unforgettable. Join us at Palau Pacific Resort, Coconut Terrace brunch for a special celebration just for Dad. That's going to be held on Sunday, June 21st, 2026 from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Live entertainment with Howie Howard. Treat the most important man in your life to a relaxing and indulgent brunch by the ocean. Enjoy delicious spread, unlimited draft beer for Dad, and exciting prizes and giveaways that will keep the celebration even more fun and memorable. Bring the whole family, raise a glass, and celebrate Father's Day the way it should be, full of flavor, laughter, and love by the sea. For reservation, call 488-2600 today. Palau Pacific Resort, celebrate Dad in Paradise.
Subdrak maldile al-dadu. Tia subdras arelay adar amay Eliayob, loltob niya miyal Baskasyo oitrong, Obara Dapkar, Clarence Kitalong, Rengel Simon Derbay, Adalbay Ratang Alensid, Rungul Ramuang William Ngiray Galaw, Yadar Talwang Simeon Aberdong, Oilal Job Kikuo, Reediw Reegmu Lililaw, Obad Sugi Sungino, El Masudras Arela Targid Ray Adar Amay Eliayob, Mangalruba Kamlos Mer Sera May 29, 2026. Ang maldi lamlamotro kalmonira ongay malurior Friday, June 19, 2026. Etiadi mo kamaldile al-dadu, yabasyo ra kamaldil, adi mo ringi rabay ray balaw, rabalu rangar amay. Malway se, agim subdrar adamam ray galbalu, mamgas pasub de may madaalim, edakay nga sewer tiyal kamaldile al-dadu. Mangayang alagim subdrar ngalgela ebil ngiraged, rangiray tao ngiraged, mangiray lab Ricky ngiraged, Governor Richard ngiraged, mamosubdrar bebi ramiw e may madaalim. Mangar along, tigaruba kamasubdra uangar ete Matias Erbay, mamosubdrar adad, marbet kalingal gara ete e may madaalim e dakay ng sew. Agi direk kalmasubdra ngalgela Emmanuel Maldangsang, Rahelen Marangos, mamosubdra bebi ramiw e may madaalim. Agi direk kalmasubdra ngirawrel at Tiak Rangula, Maiol Marhens Madrangar, mamosubdra adad marangal grawrel e may madakay ng sew. Agi direk kalmasubdra ngalgela Arur Ngirayobey, Raebil Raley Maria Arur, Albina Timarong, Faustina Maru, Baruch, matal nga yalab, mangiray yobey, may madaalim mertial albul. Yang rar dagim subdra ngiraroy sa Francis Gibb, maebil raroy sa mihay na kodep, mamosubdra adad marangalga. Agidirek kalmusubdra ngirayrung Isak Sualatao, maebil rayrung Elizabeth Kabukol, mamosubdra adad may madaalim mertial albul. Agidirek kalmusubdra gawal, ngiraylab Ricky ngiraget, mamosubdra ngalgela atsko ngirmakur, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Ang gaklaw agim subdra ngalgela hideko, Rasus, Makarla, ngiray lamasang, mamosubdra ngalgela Isayas ngiray lamasang, may madaalim. Mangartmaw agim subdra, Rama subdra kel, mayaat kel, mosubdra bebi ramiw, may madagay ngasew ertial albul. Mangaramlunguy agim subdra Sisinya Osima, madil ranglod Rosanya ngiray galaw, mamosubdra bebi ramiw maradad. Agidirek kalmusubdra diakon ringil, madalarak, mamay madaalim. Agidirek kalmusubdra row, patye ke yalab, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, may madaalim. Angat pang agim subdra ngalgela Victoria ngiraramyang, Rasiles, Mamarcela, mamosubdra bebi ramiw, may madagay ngasew, edaalim mertial albul. Agidirek kalmusubdra ngalgela Iterong, Ra Constantino ngirageth, mangalgela Martin Blodak, rangalgela Nico Blodak, Michael Blodak. Ay malig, agi masubdra Diringel Augustina Elwel, agi direk kalmasubdra rangalgela Royce, Ratioco Ducor, Marcelino Olgril, Serenia Derbay Mamis, mangalgela Satski Ducor, rangalgela Ngirturong, Rarigel Takataro, Madangalyang Raklay, rangalgela Ngirur, Raalid Sugi Rangol, Rudel Ngirabab Rangol, mangalgela Ari, Rabreng Sialab, Marbebi Retir, Hailey Ari, Madiram Tura Tilde Isak, Nicolas Ari, mangalgela Kailang, Ra Salong Kailang, Marbebi Ringi. Agidirek kalmasubdra Dorsia ngira tumrang, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, may madaalim. Agidirek kalmasubdra kawal, ngirawaw Chesi Joseph, Mauel the May Obak, Mamspadia Odray Marigo Joseph, malosubdra bekal avad, marangal may madakay ngasew. Ayray agim subdra ngalgra aspong, magim subdra ngalge lamle, ebiledil katsue aberdong, mamosubdra bekal avad, marbebi ramiw. Rangalge larngel singewo teong, blitang yoichi singewo, balang hulang wong, matoyoko singewo, marumi raklay, rangalge langiratkel et pisong, ranaemi mauella shalom et pisong, mosubdra bebi ramiw. Rangalge la asaw, marangalge la hinako tagewo, mamosubdra bebi ramiw marangalga. Rangalgela ngatway, Raros Talmang, Mosubdra bebi rakaw, marangalgela Sibong, Rael si Talay. Rangalgela beng, Darasay Ichi, Maveronica, Mosubdra bebi ramiw, may madakay ngasew. Rangalgela Ichi, Rasidni Ichi, Dana, Marbebi Ringi. Marangalgela Dalmel, marangalgela Mary Moded, marangalgela Masayet Tanaka. Agidirek kalmasubdra rangalgela Talmatangi Lilaw, Teresa Lilaw, Omisarang Ngirageth, Alfred Adalbay, Theophilus Dave, Melanie Dave, Stephen Adelgaroy, Mamalsol Dave. Marangalgela ngira ite, Raob Adal Tabel Stomu, Giku Mochimaru, Adalbay Rangatibang Ephraim ngira ite, Mamgaspasub del Bekalad, Marangalgela Tete, may madaalim, edgay nga sewertial albul. Agidirek kalmasub darangalgela Masang, Raatuaw, Raadalin, Masandra. Tirgaruba kadirek kalmasub darasi Makot Taryong, Veronica Masami, Mamistiga Ngiraklang, Mamosub darangalgela Balbul, Tamamidol, Mamarcelus Tuur, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasub darangalgela Antonio Tuur, Mamosub darabebi rakaw, may madaalim, edgay nga sewertial albul. Aoryo ragim subdray badul, Mabilung Gloria Sali, agidirek kalmasub darangalgela, Diray ngayaw laltalat ka Fritz, Raadalbay rakaswaw Harry Fritz, Miray Yurigo Materne, Madira dalgong Waisang Mariur, may madaalim. Agim subdarangalgela, Diraur Makol, Radakter Isaw Makol, Mamgaspasub de may madaalim. Agidirek kalolngit tarangir etet Robert Yano, Roman Yano, Senator Salvador Talam, Senator Hocons Baules, Matmigo Grace Yano, rangalgela Sabrina Osilek, mamosub darangal Gramilong, may madakay nga sewertial albul. Agidirek kalmasub darangalgela nget edong, Radiramyang Damiana Sungino, Madarat mandrang Rolanda Tangalbad, mamosubdrar adad. Agidirek kalmasubdra sa along Sano Sabal, madil sa along Gloria Warswick, mamosubdra ngalgelamle sa along Anatanyo Gikuo, marangalgela Silvia Tangalbad, marbek kaladad, may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Rigas Bal, marangalgela Kimiyo Marumoto, Ra Amelia Raaged, Makolomba, Mamgaspasubdal Bekalad, may madaalim, marangalgela Hidego, Maisayas Ngiray Lamsang. Ngar amay agim subdaran ngalgela Orat Chuneo, Ra Johannes Chuneo, Makalday Trungulbay, marangalgela Baselio, marangalgela Masako, Ra Alfonsa Ngirabelaw, Amos Maanelise Emiliano, marangalgil, Maviola Termetet, marangalgela Satskiyob, Ra Nora Matigay, marangalgela Eriga Ngirausui, Ra Wilson Machemi, marangalgela Ibaw Oitrong, Ra Elbil Rakum, Ra Sena Asuma, Agnes Rebetu Besong, Evelyn O. Adalbay, Gregorio Oitrong, Diratalbad la Celine Andres, Jerome Oitrong, Tony Oitrong, Maamada Oitrong, Marangalgela Sumang the May, Radiraklang Caroline Skabong, Sandra Pirantosi, Idesong Maader Sumang, May Madaalim, Medray nga Sewertial Albula, Marangalgira Rafaela Sumang, Naomi Sumang, Marangalgela Isabela Sumang, Ra Adalbay Ratang Alensid, Adalbay Rairik Glensid, Samuel Sanders, Delegate Manggur Raalulga, Giraloy Raalulga, Carmela Raalulga, Tulik Beck, Masayuri Marumoto, Gustav Sali, Kalitang Nabors, May Madaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albula. Agidirek kalmasubadra, Samuel Sakay Ngir Okobay, Maodal Rakatsumi Ngir Okobay, Mgaspasubde May Madaalim, Mertial Albula. Rangalgela Raasengla, Ra Enisha Odang, Rablu the Marino Raasengla, Maen Land, Marbebi Ramiu, Marangalgela Ubad, Raagi Maya, Mosubdar Bebi Ramiu, Rangalgela RR, Ra Adalbay Rangalday, Edbete RR, Rangalgela Gikuo Maskang, Ra Senator Rukubay Gikuo Inabo, Legislator Job Gikuo, Matahari Gikuo, Mariana Gikuo, Ahas Mamanna, Mamgaspasubdar Roguy, May Madaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Kamaldi, Le Aldadu Ratargid. Agidirek kalmasubdra Obad Ismail Sungino, Maobad Aldil Miriam Etumay, mamosubdar Bekalngal Gra Oklang, Mar Adad, May Madakay nga Sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra Rangal nga Mar Adad Ra Siyaw, May Madakay nga Sew. Agidirek kalmasubdra Rangalgela Berdong Rubas, Ra Albert, Joshua, Paulus, Ramona, Raul, Mangirat Aboet, May Madaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albulo. O sisulsubda, Amuradira Karkur no Nalui, Marbebi Ringi, mamosubdar Adad, May Madaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albula. Agidirek kalmasubdar Kawal Dirat Ngir, Rose Masubda, Agidirek kalmasubdar Rangalgela Bedor, Rato Siye Kaldermen, sa Maagigo Sugiyama, Mamay Madaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albula. Agimsubdar Kal Aspang Rangarabsang, mamosubdar Adad, May Madaalim. Ato Kubetsel Subda, Muratyo Kosiba, Maester Kosiba, mamosubdar Adad, May Madaalim, Edray nga Sewertial Albula. Yablilyo, Agimsubdar Wadalad Satski Florencio, Mayad Kangitsi, mamosubdar Bekal Dakawaad, May Madaalim, Edray nga Sew. Akamaldil, Maaldadu, Amoringira Friday, June 19, 2026, Eldi Moringira Bayray Balarangar Amay, Lomura 8 a.m. Mukumpmal Masaw, Learo Bakal Dios, Lomakal Tangat Targida Rokoy. Tial Mulareng Saringiya, Subdra Kamaldi, Lealdadu, Ray Other Amay Elyayob, El Moringira Tutara Ongayim Lurio, June 19, 2026, El Moringira Bayray Balarangar Amay. Signed, Mial Bascasio Oitrong. Subdra Kamaldi Lealdadu. Kaya subdra o sisil Kamaldi, Loltobdra nga Ramligo El sa awas, Oligong dabdebo ko mongami, Raalula Tarkong Elis, Madaldarar Garay Ngir Oral, sa Alyang Damruk Yalab, Madraabab Eli Masay, El Masubdar Bekal Adama Merbabaldab Orior, Rakamildi Le Aldadura Targid Ray Adar Amay Elyayob, El Ngalgelayob Ililaw, El Nosmera May 29, 2026. Emlamotrok Lakamildi El Maaldadu, El Moringira Friday, June 19, 2026, El Moringira Bayray Balarangar Amay, El Mga Mildil Moswel, Et tuwab del mamadakra ekkalbay. Giol ngitrar adamam raigal bekkalbalu, mamosubdrar bekkal adad marngalga, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Oryo ragim subdra ebil rayung lulay otobda, mosubdrar bekkal adad marngalgraw elgiukla, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra, diraw alngel sor igeda, marbebi ringi marngalgir. Tina debelbot, ebil tulik edit debelbot, marbebi ringi, sendi ulang marngalgel, dil oligong malat kamong mongami onglung la tio ari Valentine Osig Carla Savang wadal at tuto ngiral mau marbebi ringi marngalgir Anita Edwards Dib Ellis Dr. Ondi Derngul Soalavaw marbebi ringi Dildingalius Brengs Adalbay marbebi ringi Salome Kirk marngalgel rangalgel asum abloda rageori mreb mamay giramur marbebi retir rangalgel asatski yob ranora singeo matigay marbebi retir rangalgel amledil dingalius eriga ngirausui ra Wilson ngirausui Kamela ngirausui matjami titimle rangalgel atalisang Chloe rangalgel obak Luwil Marsil rangalgel rumong rardialul rumong mawarang rumong marbebi retir Monigar irik marngalgem diramid erena sebal tamarngalgem rangalgel ay meong ngir ora alra bani kito marbebi rakaw rangalgel atkeli lilaw wadal ad agemi Anderson marbebi ringi marngalgir oingrang osig lele mongami mother darar karay ngir ora al marbebi rakaw tulik Alfonso Diaz rangem Sebastian Andreas marngalgel hatsuit ngir omlay agi olngit mamgas pasub del rokwil ad may madaalim edgay ngasew ngargaswa lagim sub dra rimu Dominica ngoriak lma adal bayr gaswa Harry Fritz rablay ratmatpap mamosub dra adad marngal may madgay ngasew ngar amay rablay oklang agim sub dra ob adra ul berdong ma ob adal dil de dil troli mamgas pasub de may madgay ngasew direkal ngar amay yagim sub dra dirarur nglod ngirayngas mau awar Ramon Rabay Francisca Sangbaw marngalgel masusan ngirawsuy emgas pasub de may madaalim edgay ngasew ngarbe dagim sub dra adribu glokyoni saal mabekal dil guye Anastasio mosub dra bekal ad marngal grablay rangribukl may madaalim mertial gamaldi le aldadu ray adar amay Eliayob elmlamotro kulmongira June 19 2026 o sisul sub dra kamaldi lamurar adamam rangar along magim sub dra rubas subadyang ubday Valentino Amasyo amanya maeriga Emmanuel mamosubdrar admarngal may madaalim edgay ngasew ngarar dagim subdra karay madilbugd ong truy at Joe Raklay Sabina Termetet Celine Raklay Philip Raklay marngalgelaw ngireng Ramot Ratakriw Salvador Ramot Helen Ramot malegislator Saburo Ramot mamosubdrar adad marngal may madaalim edgay ngasew aleuy rablay ranger madngir eng spadla rablu the marino rasengla ebil hermana umetaro malaalbalu basel kiwulula Melson Miko Naomi Erongos obaklubil rikl katsumi erungla kaswal bishop legislator Polycarp Marcil marbebi ringi Florencia Miser Segundina maualyo ngiramaged rangalgela loms inasyo maulay taltul marbebi ringi mamosubdrar adad marngal may mamngasumam sisilsub damorar admam rablay raklay ray magi olngit terkawal tu Ermel Rani ngira aryang mam asal ebil raklay moded baules mamosubdrar adad marngal may madgay ngasewer tial alsang iliakal spadela ramligu el sa awas oligong dabdeb kumongami madaldrar karay ngir oral mamadar abab Eli Mesay amorar mangsong karay Mariur wer awar Ramon Rabay Spis Valentino ngirgiklang kaltngul Rabay uduy humang badul okavat itong marbu Celestino Malsol elkmo mosubdrar adad marngal algirel tial kamaldi le aldadu ray adar amay Eliayob almlamotrogo kalmorngira June 19 2026 Rabay Ray Balaw rangar amay kompmal masulang signed ramligu el sa awas subdra kamaldi le aldadu ray adar amay Eliayob tia subdra kamaldi lontob dringar mangsong karay Mariur wer awar Ramon Rabay Spis Valentino ngirgiklang kaltngul Rabay uduyumang Badul o kadat itong, marbu Celestino Malsol, el kumatargi dray adramay Eliayob, amlosme mabadingi langar amorg, lamotterhok lakmel dilel aldadu, el moringira ongay mlurior, el tri eti o el gabasingil ongelo malbuil, Friday, June 19, 2026. El di moringira bayray bala rangar amay orior, el mosuel vem utwob del momdakla. Magimsub darabek el adad marangal garagablira del gong, mamay madaalim edgay ngaser tial albula. Magim subdrar adamam rabek talbalu. Maolay ngar along agim subdra hatsko sato marbebi rakaw. Eriga Emmanuel marangalgem. Diram tawi el talat kamadrang ar marbebi rakaw. Sabrong al Raymond marbebi rakaw. Ruad Paulina Iskang marbebi rakaw. Maria Asuncion el Desel Oywil marbebi rakaw. Denisha Mariur Ubde marbebi rakaw. Adalbay Rabadul Bautista Sato. Maay tatemong. Dire kalmsubdra tet sing it sato sa daworyung may adrading Abraham Osima mamosubdra adadra blayur marangalgela marraw at altoy ngaklaw ngarar dagim subdra ngalgela malsol ra optuyla malsol mosubdra bebirakaw ma Valentina edsom marangal ka agi dire kalmsubdra hana ingay sa manahen mamosubdra bebirakaw dire kalmsubdra Basilia Temail dire kalmsubdra ngalgela sa iyang marilang, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tel kamaldili aldadu. Ngiwal lagim subdra haruwo ngiramkati, Pablo Tamol, Delegate Elender ngiramkati, Wanda N. Timarong, Linda N. Malaytaw, Valeria N. Talay, Malgayok, Ikuko Okotol, Mangarbay Boysek Talay, Mosubdra adad marangal ka. Ng Esar, Kamrekle Zacarias Siangaldev, Dwayne Hideo, Dr. J. Lingan, Dominic Tamarcel, Umi at Jeffrey Antol, Inariang Rabay, Gracia Leonardo, Ertung Elisa Watanabe, Norma Etiber, Maemilda Avalbay. Agidira kalmusub drat nga si Krisong Saito, mamosub dra bebi lakaw marangalga. Dire kalmusub dra obakaram u Sydney A.E.T. marbebi lakaw. Iray agim subdra raalul ringang mates, buigaspi Sherman Daniel, wadal adra asel takako rulugda, Sieko Daniel, Paulina Ramangasaw, mamosub dra bekal adad, marangal garatlungal gara asel. Agidira kalmusub dra ebilas masong Marta Yaad, Madirameu and Mary Adeao, mamosub dra adad, marangal gelagitang, dire kalmosub dra ngalgela diraibu, marangalgel eungel, marangalgel omtilow. Agi dire kalmosub dra ira aligasakas, mamosub dra adadra o ngalgray gasakas. Agi dire kalmosub dra yaw or the ort ko, lama evil rairik lasadaria adalbay, mamosub dra ngalgela ngiroit, marangalgela itumelew, marangalgela balelas, marangalgela ngiraitpang. Orior wadal ad maura cordon, siska sangbaw, marangalgem ra viluew, udu sangbaw senyor, mamayreng sangbaw, marangalge lamle dirarur dilub rabay, radirarur nglod rabay ngirayngas, matarga ra vernis rabay, marbebi ramiw marangalga. Rangalge lagunigo oigang Marcil, Ramarta Marcil, marbebi rakaw. Ebil raroy sumihayna ta Marcel Godeb, marbebi rakaw. Ngalge la simako wali, Rasisinia Ueda, marbebi rakaw. Mercy Mariur Bitalao, la marbebi rakaw. Lili Oilo, akaw marbebi rakaw. Damiana N. Ngirataboy, ta marbebi rakaw. Julia Oib, marbebi rakaw. Daria Abrel Mateolol, marbebi rakaw. Ulang the May, marbebi rakaw. Rangalge labeng the sa awas, rawadalad sendi sa awas Lazarus, maramligo el sa awas, marbebi rakamiw marangalga. Marangalge lamle wadalad margi mongami, Ramadra abaab tabdeb kumongami, madorin ongolungla, marbebi rakamiw marangalga. Rangalge lamogirong osig, rawili osig, rangalge layob ililaw, marangalga. Rangalge langir ora alililaw, ratulik Alfonso Diaz, makarayngir ora almarbebi rakamiw. Rangalge la rumong ililaw, rardialul rumong, marbebi rakaw. Rangalge lamda aladebelbot, ralosaw odaw, lamakarla siyang savang, maklen siyang, Maria Basilius Agitaya, Ngayaol Naruo, Umay Naruo, Merlin Basilius, Umay Basilius Isida, Cleo Basilius, Susan Ngirausuy, Pascuana Blesam, Marbebi Rakaw, Malik Siska Besong Kel, Marigo Thomas, Marbebi Rakaw, Marangalga, Domin Mistru Tomei, Marbebi Rakaw, Benita Masubda, Hoshiana Rungulbay, Deborah Masubda, Ngirat Ngera Hiob Masubda, Matthew Masubda, April Masubda, Fred Sangbaw, Maumi Sangbaw, Maru Aliw, Sukurat Sabal, Marbebi Rakaw, Wilson Ngirausuy, Marbebi Rakaw, Saturnino Tewid, Marbebi Rakaw, Dennis Oilo, Akaw Marul, Reynold Oilo, Maruul Liw, Jan Gabo, Felix Olgaril Minor, Marbebi Rakaw, Rangalgela Olgaril, Billy Naruo, Bruce Ngirgutling, Spis Cordon, Isaw Sato, Yusim Sato, Valent Oigang, Jenkins Mariur, Denisio Mariur, Ngiratutang Eldesel, Samuel Eldesel, Kabukol Rablu, the Silverius Besong, Benito Thomas, Marbebi Rakaw, Marangalga, Henry Belesam Maru Lem, Agidire Kalmisub Rangalgela, Rigrig Spis, Marangalgela the May, Meledang Tamol, Marangalgela Brel Maebil. Kamiul Mlabas ang Kliw, Mosub Darbebi Rakamiw, Maradad, Marangalga, May Madray Ngasewer, Tialga Maldi, Leelda Adu. Tirgal adam no dakal madungang clear tial subda mosubes edibo modengay may madakaswes edgay nga sewer tial gamaldil. Tirgal adal mo dakal sabir el mortial gamaldil asabir el ding mayaw lungusurir el mamsa ramangsong garay mariur malubeng uodal ad maura ordon. Kompmal masulang signed ramangsong garay mariur. Subda gamaldil. Tia subda lol tobder ngaw el magdiw susumu mori. Rungruel Herman Omelaw, Joshua Cosiba, Joe Cosiba, Governor Brownie Simer, El Kumatargi Dray Other May Eliayob, Amlosmer Mabdingelang Aramorg, Lamotro Clameldile El Morira June 19, 2026, Elongay Mrurior. El di moringi rabay ray blarang amar orior, lomura etu klora tutaw, el motalyal sil se mo uragir. Tiamo kumaldili al dadu, magik malalngit rarokil adamam, rababal daw, ma orior mayol daw, mamay madaalim, edgay nga sel masatyalul bongal sil, rangal targid ray adar amay eliayob, el mlamodibus radlong lid. Ngart ma, agim subdra arangas lusyo ngiraywet, mamosubdra adadraywet, may madaalim, edgay nga sew. Ng esara gim subdra ebgeu tad ngira mangyor, mamosubdra adad marangal gray balu, may madaalim edgay nga sew. Ng klaw agim subdra rut arar rayholt ngirakyo, makabasang ete tyob, mamosubdra adad marangal garaksid, may madaalim edgay nga sew. Imli gagim subdra rol simer, Governor Brownie Simer, mamosubdra rangal may madagay nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra rangal gela kalulaw nga maes, mamoltur gradal miw may madagay nga sew. Agidirek kalmsubdra rangal gela Clarence nga maes, mamoltur gradal miw may mam nga sumam. Orior agim subdra rubas a Gabriel Adalbay, maoob Rahel Beserak, mamosubdra adad marangal may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmsubdra wadalad agemi Anderson, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmsubdra Yosua ma Esther Cosiba, mamgaspasubdalo ad marangal may madagay nga sew. Dire kalmsubdra Rungruel Herman Omelaw, ma Ivan Rudim, mamosubdra bebi ramiw may madaalim edgay nga sew. Dire kalmsubdra Fred Mori, ma Frida Dulmaw, mamgaspasubdra marbebi ramiw may madagay nga sew. Agidire kalmsubdra Katsumi Taima, mamosubdra bebi rakaw marangal may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmsubdra Dilbug Tina Sali, may kaw marangal gem, edaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmsubdra ngalgela Sibong Arbadul, Raros Edmund, may kaw marbebi rakaw madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmsubdra Resinia Chunewo, mamgaspasubdra kaw marangal may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmsubdra Diratublay Debbie Minage Ramangsaw, marangal gela Haruwo Nirom Tilo, Raoligong Pablo Haruwo, Machulia Haruwo, mamgaspasubdlo ad may. Agidire kalmsubdra Dr. Deborah Ngamaes, ma O'Brien Ngamaes, mamgaspasubdlo ad may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmsubdra Alex Meltel, mamgaspasubdlo ad may madagay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdra Lighter Dolmers, mamgaspasubdlo ad marangal may madaalim edgay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdra Apolonia ma William Siprit, mamgaspasubdlo ad marangal may madagay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdra Annabeli Ngiraybab, mamgas pasubadalo ada marangalga may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek masubadra sa alguy ngir nga sa may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek masubadra Gloria Oserva may gaw marbebi rakaw marangalga madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek masubadra Rabin ngirababul may gaw marbebi rakaw madray nga sew. Agidirek masubadra Prima Oib may gaw marangalgem edaalim edray nga sew. Balilyo agim subadra obakal ol Peter Napoleon madilpak kay go bedor mamgas pasubda ar adada marangalga may madaalim edray nga sew. Direk masubadra Yugi Tulob may gaw marangalgem madray nga sew. Agidirek masubadra Elbil Moniga Ichiro mamosubadra baby rakaw may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek masubadra Susan Cruz Mayokichi Mori mamgas pasubda load may. Agidirek masubadra ongayay Mark Mabel mamosubdar adada marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Tirigel adamamal mlodek lobas ang clear musubes lengklam nga tela subdaw ul. Olengit may madaalim edray nga sew tial sils. Adios lolomol malamakal tangat pergid rokoy. Kompmal masulang sign el magdiw susumu mori. Subdrak maldil. Tia subdrak maldil loltobdringa el the may obak. Mangirawa at Chesi Joseph. Mangiray Ricky ngiragev. El morarogul adrir, el ngaray galbalu el kmo, atargid ray adar amay el yayob, am la mosmer, malwaise yakmal dile lamo 3 wel gabsingil ongelol malbuy, letun 19-20-26, el di moringira bayrangar amay. Malwaise yang ayang agim subdra ngiray tao ngiraged, Jack ngiraged, Governor Richard ngiraged, ma Rina ngiraged, may magimgay nga sewertial albul. Yangar along agim subdra nangalgela Emmanuel maldangsang marangalgir, mangiraw regda tjak rangul, el mo subdar adadra regda, may madray nga sewertial albul. Ang rar dagim subdra nangalgela atsko ngirmakur, ramaged ngirmakur, losi singewo, ngadig singirmakur, ngariam ngirmakur, baluong ngirmakur, magayla ngirmakur. Yang artma agim subdra masubdat kel mayat kel eltmo mosubdar bebi ramiu may madray nga sewertial albul. Ay malig agim subdra odray Marigo Jackson, Antonina Ngiraroy, Alvin Ingrakli, Maodal Ramid Ingrakli, Francisca Selbart, Wilson Selbart, Rubas Obak, John Sitkel, Mary Samsel, Ray Obak Ari, madraw adal-adray maligal mo may madray nga sewertial albul. Ay raya gimsubdra si Mako Taryong, Veronica Masami, Mistiga Ngiraklang, Dixie Taur, Proy Taisang Rakamasik, Lali Yikluk, Adalain Ngirakasaw Ringang, Machoni Ryu Ngaluk, may madakay nga sew. Agidira kan subdra kaw taru nakamura, mamosubdra bebi rakaw, marangalgela ngiraw niyang, may madakay nga sew. Agim subdra ododi ongrung, marbebi ringi, marangalgelamle ngirigiklang Marcelus Tuur, Ratchanet Tuur, marbebi ringi, elkmom gaspasubde may madakay nga sewertial albul. Agidira kan masubdra Christina Malwat, ma Donald Ringang, malosubdra bebi retir, may magimgay nga sew. Agidira kalmusubdar kaul Uwais Kabong, ma Ignacio Daniel, mamosubdar baby ragbiw, may madakay nga sew. Ya oriora gimsubdra Antonia Joseph Kiosi, Leilani Chansruth Tamngil, Darwin Inabo, Tulik Ramali gang R, Maebil Tulik Deo lang R, elkmo may madaalim, edakay nga sewertial albul. Agidira kalmusubdra Benjamin Ngaluk, James Ngarwangal, Uwadalav Giru Ngarwangal Pedro, Early Sally, Maodal Ratchanson Sali, Marangalgela Dabdeb Warswig, Ra Ismail Ramot, Jewin Mauew, Tommy Warswig, Joe Warswig, Maclary Warswig, Elkmo may madaalim, edakay nga sewertial albul. Ato kubet sa spedela el the may obak, mangarwaw at Jesse Joseph, mangiray lab Ricky ngiraged, amorangir ete to Norbertiano, matmigo, elkmo mosubdar adad marangal may madakay nga sewertial albul. Direkal to kubet sa spadam amora obad Ismail Sungino, malosubdar adra okulang, may madakay nga sewertial albul. Ang klamotela subdaw ul, Malangaringar adma malmlodekal madungang clear, edilaw subes, elaw takangal may magim alim, egim gay nga sew. Kompmal masulang ay adios lopengge del diblo oil. Tial mulareng seringi asubdra kamal dilela. Ya other amay Eliayob, el di moringira Friday, June 19, 2026, el di moringira bayrangar amay. Signed, UL the May Obak, ngarwaw at Jesse Joseph, ngiraylab Rigi ngiragith. Subdra kodal la kamal di lama aldadu. Matya subdra kodal la kamal di lama aldadu, laltob da nga ebil rayong la Dr. Ulay Otob, Abbas Paul Uegi, Mial Pascasio Oitrong, Rengel Simon Derbay, Lormans Otob, Victor Gumangay, Huelas Ngiratumra, Maka-Governor Brownie Simir. Ay other amay, edire kalbuik abas rangaramid, amlos mer sera May 29, 2026, eluy etiul gabasingil ongay malbuil. Abading langgaruba ang aramor, emlamotro ko kalmotob dar ongay malurior, haltruy etiul gabasingil elal longelol malbuil. Friday, June 19, 2026. Ang tuab dramor ratutaw, almorabay raibalaw, mga maldil mo talyal sils, mamdakra ekalbay, rangar amay. Magim subdar kamiwar adamam, mamay madaalim edakay nga sew. Malway se, agim subdar kamiwar adamam, ngaray galbalu. Mga ramidar orior, agim subdra, rangalgelam le ebil rayung lu elbil olaw, ra ebil abas batildes olaw, la marangalgel. Ngirabin sa daklas uwegi marangalgel, abas Paul uwegi marangalgel, Manangalgel amle abas Minami Uwegi, Ratjoy Uwegi, Valentin Uwegi, Jan Uwegi, Elena Ueda, Omdasu Uwegi, Meluso Uwegi, Raslin Uwegi, Marbebi Retir. Manangalgel amle yung la Dr. Minoru F. Uwegi, Rakosuye Uwegi, Junior Uwegi, Marbebi Retir. Ngaspasub de may madaalim. Rangalgel la ebil yung la breng sa Otob, ra ebil yung la Dr. Ulay Otob, Marangalgel. Rangalgel la Hiroko Otob, Lydia Otob, Marangalgel. Sigbik Otob, Master sa Marangalgel. E olngitra rangalgel amle wong the May Otob, ra delegate Li Otob, Legislator Carlo Otobda, Ngay Otobda, Maedumail Otobda, Mamay Madali Mertial Albula. Rangalgelamle ebir yung la ator ngir omtilo, radil dingalyus arol la simer, marangalgel, marangalgelang amay sa Dr. Deborah Madison, Maria ngamay sa O'Brien ngamay sa McClinton ngamay sa marangalgela kalulaw ngamay sa Raosis mereng marbebi ringi marangalgela Clarence ngamay sa Sheila Masimrangos Maorgid May madaalim rangalgela umtilaw o kumangay Rawilma kumangay Ma Victor kumangay marbebi retir mamgaspasub de May madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula rangalgelam lerebes Alfonso Oitrong Rock Race o Erungla marangalgelamle Omikbil Elma Oitrong, Raator Oitrong, Berta O Ito, Ashley Oitrong, Bloyang Oitrong, Mapankin Oitrong, May madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula. Rangalgel Bloyang Oitrong, Rat James Oitrong, marangalgel olingit May madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula. Rangalgel amler yung ngiray nga sa Oitrong, Raw Elbil Rakumr Senna Asuma marangalgel, Mial Bascasio Oitrong marangalgel amle Dingalius Isayas Oitrong, Evelon O Adalbay, Marangalgel, Agnes Rebetu Besong, Celine O. Andres Marangalgel, Gregorio Corinto Oitrong Marangalgel, Jerome Oitrong Marangalgel, Matoni Oitrong Marangalgel, Mamgaspasubdload, Marangalag May madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula. Agidira kalmsubdra yadra Bay Ignatius Ngirmeril, Madiliad Chudi Ngirmeril, marangalgelamle ngiray tungolbay sa tsuo ngirmeril, marangalgelamle yadra Bay Merol Ngirmeril, marangalgelamle diliad Antina Maui, marangalgelaniga umadib, May madaalim edakay nga sew. Agidira kalmsubdra Ibdul Raidong, Adolf the May, Madilibdul Sabet Rivera, Mosubdra Bebi Ramiu, May madaalim edakay nga sew. Agidire kalmasubdra tulik ramlig ang ar, maebil tulik de olang ar, mamgaspasubdra load, May madaalim. Ngaramid rablay rang rukubid, yagito kubet salmasubdra ngalgelamle uodal ad beng di lilaw, raramlig uel sa awas, masendi sa awas ulang ong, madiramid erena sebalt, Mosubdra rangal May madaalim edakay nga sew. Rangalgelamle diraw alngel mdaal debelbot, ratina debelbot, where awar, diraw alngel losaw debelbot odaol, mosubdra rangal ge may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle wadal ad magirong osig, ra Willie osig, ma Valentine osig, may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle wadal ad margi mongami, ra oligong dabdebre, mongami, dorin onglung la tio ari, mabuiga mala albalu lele mongami, mgaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle Abbas Yob ililaw, rangal ge lamle buik Abbas Eliayob, marangal ge la Satski Yob, marangal ge lamle dildingalius erigangi rausuy, mamgaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle oligo ngir ora lililaw, ramadar darar garay ngir ora la tulik Alfonso Diaz, Motol Albert, mabani Kito, mamgaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle ramli rumong ililaw, Rardialul rumo, mawarang rumo, mgaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle dildingalius ongrol yalab, radildingalius brengs avalbay, delay yalab, Linda Iyar, Grace yalab, mgaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle Viulaw aboy mga sabu yalab, radirayrung Dr. Omdi Darngul Sualavab, sa alyang dambruk yalab, Pastor Balgu Sandario, Marilu Santos, Cloldil Singewo, Magay en yalab, mosubdrar adamarangal ge may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle dingalius Mareb Arwang, Rage ori Mareb, Genet Mareb, Mamay Giramur, ngaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle alu la Dr. Roy Singang yalab, Ray Rabay, Salome yalab Kirk, maolsing yalab, mosubdar bebi ramiw may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle ebilay balaw Ros Girturong, rar alul Tarkong Elis, wadal at tutog ngiralmaw, madras kalsol Darius Elis, maebil ray balaw Anita Edwards, ngaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Rangal ge lamle ramli gar irikl tiyay, Ramoni gar irikl, Cyril Fuzimi, ma Minister Stephen Victor, ngaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Agito hubet silmsub dara ngalgela pasawal ti itong el ngaringar ngalgela tamaye Mersay ra Rosemary M. Olgari marbebi ringi marangalgela tatsuo adachi radira idung Sandy Toribiong mangir erangal satoru adachi marbebi retir ngaspasub de motrang lelmay madaalim edray nga sewertial albula agidirek to hubet silmsub dara kabrina ti idip marangalgel olengit mamay madaalim edray nga sew ay mali gang spadala Governor Brownie Simer marangalgel amle ebil yung lios ko ngira tumrang rador siya sabla ni gertang uelas ngira tumrang malivan ngira tumrang marbebi retir marangalgel ambres bang oitrong rakatsumi taima marangalgel rangalgela mitsur oitrong rab ekaldil eva kyota mamadraing lay amalak oitrong mamosub darangalgiw may madaalim edray nga sew tadire kalspad langalgela thereby raringe el Simon thereby rudel ngir abab rang ol alid kasuyugi rang ol jogo dukor marangalgel serenya mami sa marangalgel rangalgela satski dukor dirungulbay sariang mat ka marangalgel, rigel en takataro marangalgel, madangalyang en raklay marangalgel, madirat mendalang Damiana Sungino marangalgel, Julia R. Kime, Hailey Ri marangalgel, Diramaturo tilde I isa ka marangalgel, Ma Marcelino Olgari la marangalgel, Ma Legislator Colas Ri marangalgel, Mamgaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. Agi direk kalmasub dra sa Araymul Joshua Valesam, Madil sa Araymul Fuana en Takataro, Mamosub dra arangalgel amle sa Araymul Ngiriyo, Marbekal Adad may madaalim edray nga sew. Malgayo kaya to betsil spada mamoraraklay bawo ngirma maebil raklay Mitsko Walter olengit mamosubdar adad may madaalim edray nga sewertial albula. Ayraya gimsubdra Yosie de Leon marangalgela miyatyo kay marbebi rengi malngot ki kuye ngirngasang marangalgel Masiego Daniel marangalgel olengit mamkaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sewertial albula. Klamatela subdaul malngaringar adama malmlodyak madungang clear ilakabol muknitarang miw motrang lelmay madaalim edray nga sewertial albula. Madakumpal masulang edrausing Celsius rakamaldil el June 19 2026. Signed Abbas Paul Uwegi. Tialmulareng saringi asub drakamaldil maaldadu raya adar amay edirekal buik Abbas rabalurang armi del Eliayob el ngalgelamle Abbas Yob ililaw mamle elbil ragumra bas eliob elnos mer sera May 29 2026 emlamot tergok lakmaldil maaldadu el moringira ongayim blurior el June 19 2026 el di moringira bayray belaw ngarangar amay rabalur orior ratuta el motalyal sils emomadakar odosong ra ekalbay rangar amay
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel madiagal tigingel malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dringi e haraorngi ko mal mesulang. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Hello Palau, this is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PTST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang. WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours. Oy, sine. What do you mean, oy, sine? Oh, kore, Asahi Super Dry. Number one. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number one. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number one. Looking for Palawan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
What if he doesn't like the deal? I'm Carmen Roberts, Fox News.
And if I don't like it, we'll go back to shooting at them, dropping bombs on their head.
President Trump speaking to reporters at the G7 in France ahead of the signing of that deal, which is supposed to happen Friday in Switzerland. Fox's Peter Ducey has more from France.
If Iran lives up to their end of the deal, they will get to cash in big time. Billions of dollars worth of selling oil. They can also apply for this money in a fund to help rebuild, and they can see some of their own funds unfrozen. But President Trump wants to make one thing very clear. None of that money is coming directly from the U.S. taxpayers. President Trump says if they start breaking the rules, the U.S. will resume a bombing campaign again. Same story if the Strait of Hormuz closes or if Iran tries to charge tolls in the strait.
We have our first named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season. Meteorologists believe that Tropical Storm Arthur, which formed in the Gulf this morning off the Texas coast, will eventually move inland and spread life-threatening flooding rains across the south.
Tropical storm force winds are expected from parts of southwest Louisiana, while widespread rainfall from 5 to 10 inches, with isolated totals approaching 20 inches, could lead to significant flash flooding from Texas into the deep south.
Fox meteorologist Adam Klotz, tropical storm warnings remain in effect for portions of the Texas and Louisiana coast. The Federal Reserve held interest rates steady today, but nearly half of policymakers are open to rate hikes later this year. This was Chairman Kevin Warsh's first Fed meeting and a clear sign that inflation concerns are heating up again. Prospects of higher interest rates this year sent stocks into a slide. The Dow Industrials lost 507 points after two back-to-back records. Meantime, crude oil lower, $75.23 a barrel. America's listening to Fox News. Luigi Mangione plans to use a psychiatric defense at his New York murder trial for the killing of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Fox's Eric Shaw has details.
Judge Gregory Caro said Mangione's lawyers told him that they will attempt to show that Mangione was suffering from extreme emotional disturbance at the time he allegedly shot United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson, arguing he should not be held criminally responsible. Well, if that argument is successful, Mangione could be sent to a psychiatric treatment facility instead of going to prison.
Mangione has pleaded not guilty to state and federal charges. His state trial set for September 8th. Georgia state lawmakers hold off on redrawing voting districts.
Ahead of a special session, Republican leaders in the Georgia state legislature revealed they would not take up redistricting.
We believe it is prudent to take the appropriate and necessary time to do this important duty the right way and not to rush through it.
GOP State Senate President Larry Walker III. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp called for the redraw to create boundaries more favorable to Republicans following a Supreme Court decision on redistricting. Kristen Goodwin, Fox News.
And another classic comes to the Sphere.
The Sphere in Las Vegas is getting ready to do the time warp again. Sphere Entertainment announced the Rocky Horror Picture Show will get the supersized immersive treatment next, following the blockbuster success of The Wizard of Oz at the venue, which premiered last August and has now sold more than 3 million tickets. The 1975 cult classic will be enhanced using the same advanced technology that upgraded Oz for the Sphere's massive wraparound screen. The Rocky Horror Picture Show at Sphere is expected to open in 2027. Michelle Polino, Fox News.
And Apple plans to raise prices due to memory chip crunch. That's according to the Wall Street Journal. I'm Carmen Roberts. This is Fox News.